ask the Ashoka, our students will speak. Okay, only they will reply. Okay, whatever house I will ask the question, that particular house has to give the answer. Okay, all of you, you can turn on your mic when I ask the question according to your house. Only that house students, they will turn on your mic. Okay? Okay, let's start.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt you can ask me right now. Okay, let's start. All of you turn on your mic, turn off your mic. When I ask the question to you, at the time only you have to turn on your mic. Okay, let's start. Mathematics is not
Sir,
about
voice is connected.
numbers, equation, computation, algorithm. It's about understanding.
Sir, your voice is again.
Am I audible now?
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Your voice Sir, your voice is lagging.
1 minute, beta.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
1 minute, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now,
1 minute. Am I audible now properly?
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's start. Mathematics is not about numbers, equation, computation, algorithm. It's all about understanding. So with this beautiful thought, a warm good morning to all of you present here for Maths Quiz. I, Vijay Tarsaria, on behalf of the Vasisht family, welcoming you all in this quiz competition. That is the game of mind, intellectual, interest, power and the joy. But before entering into the quiz, let me introduce our judges, Mr. Amit and Mr. Sachin. Okay, they are our scorer today, Mr. Amit Vachani and Mr. Sachin Mishra. Now, we all know that you all are so excited and curious about the competition. But hold your heart for some time and let's have the glance at the competition. This competition will be conducted in the 3 rounds. First round will be general round, second round will be visual round, and third round will be rapid fire. Okay. The most valuable part of this quiz is our participants. Without you, it's not possible to conduct quiz. So now let me introduce participants of the quiz. The first participants are Ashok House. Participants are Ayushi from 9th H, Garvit from 9th H, Yachi from 9th A, Janvi for 9th F. Next, Shivaji House, Magdi from 9th G, Manav 9th D, Datt Desai 9th I, Pujan 9G. Next, Shubhas House, Bhavna 9th C, Archie 9th H, Vishwa 9th E, Premal 9th G. And last, Tagore House, Rohit 9th D, Prabhat 9th B, Urmi 9th B, and Bhavya 9th G. Now, without wasting much time,
Sir,
yes, beta.
sir, I am also in Tagore House.
What's your name?
Kushi.
Kushi. Okay, so you are, I think, in place of the Urmi. Okay, no problem, don't worry. Now,
Sir, I
without
am
wasting,
also there in Shivaji house.
what's your name?
Sir, Anushka
Shivaji House.
from 9C.
Shivaji
Yes,
House.
sir.
From where you get the link?
Anushka, wait, send the link to you.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, Bhavna has sent me the link.
Okay, no problem. You are there in this one also.
Okay. So now, without wasting much time, let me move toward the quiz with the hope for the best. As the participants are here with the full of passion, energy and excitement and the enthusiasm. So let's start with the general round. So here are the rules and the regulation of the first round. Okay, so these are the general instruction. Overall, there are the 3 rounds in this maths
Sir,
talent
your
hunt.
voice.
Passing of the questions are not allowed, but the question will be asked in the sequence. First question will be for the Ashoka house, second question for the Shivaji house, third question for the Subhas house, and the fourth question will be Tagore house. Okay, third round is a rapid fire round, and this round each team will get 1 minute to answer the question. Okay, student. So in the rapid fire round, I will introduce again. First round will be 3 questions for each team. Each team will get the 3 questions. For one correct answer, team will get 10 marks. Time limit of the answer question is 45 seconds. No negative marking, no passing. Second round will be visual round in which 4 questions, 2 questions are audio video clip in which you have to watch the video. You will have to answer 2 questions related to video. If the answer is correct, you will get 10 marks, no negative marking, no passing. Third round will be rapid fire in which each team will get 1 minute to answer the question. If they don't know the answer, they can skip the question. And in this round, each correct answer you will get 5 marks. Sir. Now for the Ashoka house, what is the value of the 1 by root 10 if root 10 is equal to 3.162?
Sir, can I tell the answer?
1 minute beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes beta, what's the answer?
Sir, 0.3162.
Yes?
0.3162.
Okay, 0.3162. Let's check the answer. Zero point 3162. Yes, it is the correct answer. Good. Next question for the Shivaji house. If 144 upon 0.144 is equal to 14.4 upon x, then value of x is, students be quick.
Sir, x is equal to 0.144.
0.144. Sure? Better repeat your answer again.
Sir, 0.144.
Better speak properly. You are not audible.
0.144.
Okay, 0.144. Let's check the answer. 0.0144. It's a wrong answer. Correct answer is the 0.0144. Next question for the Subhas house. What is the value of 147 into 147 plus 147 into 143 plus 143 into 143 upon 147 into 147 into 147 minus 143 into 143 into 143? Here you can use the identity. Use the identity. Subhas house, be quick. Last 15 seconds. Speak fast better, last 5 seconds only.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes, what answer?
Sir, 124426.
1, 2, 2. Okay, very time
One
goes
two
up.
four four two six.
Okay, you are consider your answer, but you will not get any marks because time was over. Okay, let's check the answer. But answer is 4. Your answer is wrong. Okay, read out. Next question for the Tagore house. When n is a divisible by 6, the remainder is 4. So when 2n is divisible by 6, the remainder is blank. Be fast. When n is divided by 6, the remainder is 4. 2n is divided by 6, the remainder is blank.
Sir, 8.
8. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check the answer. Oh, 2 is the correct answer. Your answer is wrong, beta. Now, second step, okay. Again, for the Ashoka house, second question for the Ashoka house. Your question is here. Find the number of prime factor in the product of 25 is to 12 into 10 is to 7 into 14 is to 7. Be quick. Last 15 seconds.
Sir, 52.
Sir, 52.
52 sure?
Sir, 52.
52.
Okay, let's check
Yes,
the
sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 52 is the correct answer. Well, now next question for the Shivaji house. Shivaji house ready? The question is here.
Yes.
Find the average of all the prime numbers between 30 and 50. Average of all the prime numbers between 30 and 50. Be quick. Last 20 seconds. Question for Shivaji house.
Sir, these only.
39.8.
Sir, 39.8.
Just read properly. What is answer?
39.8.
Okay, let's check answer. 39.8. 39.8. Good. Very good. It's a correct answer. Next question for Subhas house. 13 raised to 3 plus 7 raised to 3 upon 13 raised to 2 plus 7 raised to 2 minus question mark is equal to 20. What will be the value of question mark? It is the identity of 9th standard. Okay, if you get the right answer, you will get the 10 marks. If you will not get right answer, you will not get any marks.
Sir, 91.
91. Let's check the answer. Are you sure 91?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, 91 is the correct answer. Very good, beta. Next.
Sir.
Next question for Tagore house. Tagore house ready? The question is here for the Tagore
Yes,
house.
sir.
If 1/8 of the pencil is black, half of the remaining is white, remaining is a 3, 1/2 is blue, then what is the length of the pencil? Calculate fast, you will get the answer. Beta, give it answer. Last 6 seconds, 5 seconds.
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter.
Yes.
Let's check answer. Yes, 8 centimeter is the correct answer. Good. Now third set for the first round. Okay, again question for the Ashoka house. Here the question: simplify 108 divided by 30 of 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 1 by 4. Here you can use the rule. Ashoka house, be quick. 15 seconds left. Last 5
Sir,
seconds.
31 by 20.
31 by 20.
Sir, 31 by 20.
Let's check the answer. No, it's the wrong answer. Correct answer is a 133 upon 10. Okay, you tried well, but your calculation was mistake. Next question again for the Shivaji house. Find the value of 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 4. It was in 8th standard.
Sir, answer is 12.
Answer is 12. Let's check the answer. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check the answer. Shivaji house. Answer is 12. Oh, it's the wrong answer. Correct answer is a 1 by 8. Next, Subhas house. If x by y is equal to 6 by 5, the x square plus y square upon x square minus y square. Subhas house.
Sir, 61 upon 11.
61 upon 11. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check the answer. Very good. 61 upon 11. Next question for Tagore house. How many pieces of the 35 centimeter can be cut from the road of 85 centimeter from a road of 42.5 meter long? Tagore house. Be fast.
Sir, 50 pieces.
50 pieces.
50.
Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, very good. The correct answer, Tagore house. Now, students, we had completed our first round. Okay. Now we are heading towards the second round, which is the visual round. I would like to brief you all about the rules of the second round. Here are the rules of the second round. Second round rules. There are the total 8 questions in the round. Each team will get 2 questions. 2 questions. To answer the question, each team will get 45 seconds. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answer. Look here, first a video will be played. Then 2 questions. Continuous 2 questions for the Ashoka house. Then again video will be there. Again continuous 2 questions for the Ashoka house, Shivaji house. Then again video. Again 2 questions for the Subhas house. Again video will be there. Again 2 questions will be Tagore house will be there. Okay. Now, you will never find a time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. Keep in mind, the clock does not wait for anyone. Let's start the second round. Now, first video will be played here. Ashok House, listen the video properly. See the video properly.
Let's say we want to plot an irrational number root 2 on the number line, right? So far numbers were easy.
Student, video is audible? Ashok House students?
No, sir.
Video is not audible?
No, sir.
Easy to plot, the rational numbers were easy to plot because we had them in the form P by Q. Now we don't. So how do you plot root?
Now video is visible? Students, video was visible, audible?
Yes, sir. Now it's little bit.
See the video properly.
Let's say we want to plot an irrational number root 2 on the number line, right? So far numbers were easy to plot, the rational numbers were easy to plot because we had them in the form P by Q. Now we don't. So how do you plot root 2, right? So let's take a number line. The simplest way to plot it is from 0. I'll take 1 unit here, 1 unit this side on the positive side of the number line and 1 unit on top, right? So I have 1 unit here and 1 unit on top. Now what will the length of this diagonal be? Root 2, simply because of Pythagoras theorem. Because if you look at this triangle, in this triangle, one side is 1, the other side is 1, right? So the third side or the hypotenuse will be nothing but square root of 1 plus 1, which is why root 2, correct? Which is why the hypotenuse is root 2. Now just take a compass, right? Keep it on the origin, the other end on hypotenuse, and plot the hypotenuse, right? Keep the radius constant, plot the hypotenuse on the number line. So you have your hypotenuse on the number line. The hypotenuse is nothing but root 2. That means this distance is root 2, right? That's how you'll plot root 2 on a number line. Simple, using Pythagoras theorem, right? This side is 1, this side is 1, this is root 2. As simple as that, right? So you have root 2 now plotted on the number line. Let's say you now want to plot root 3. How would you do that? For root 3, look at this triangle again, right? We had 1 plus 1, we got 2. If we want 3, how will we get? 2 plus 1 will give us 3, right? And 2 is nothing but root 2 squared, right? So in the same triangle, if I change this side to root 2 and keep this side as 1, then my hypotenuse will be 3, right? Because root 2 squared is 2 plus 1 squared is 1 will give you 3, right? Now we've already plotted root 2 on the number line. Let's use the same root 2. So you have root 2. Draw 1 from here. So you have a triangle, one side root 2, the other side 1. The hypotenuse of this triangle is going to be root 3, right? That's how you get root 3. Now you can go on and on and on, and you can plot.
Okay, students, now question will be there. First question for the Ashok House. 2 questions will be there continuous. First question. How many irrational numbers are there between the 2 rational numbers?
Infinite.
Infinite. Okay, let's see. Check the answer. Yes, infinite. Correct answer. Very good. Second question again for the Ashok House. On a real number line, how many points show the irrational number?
Sir, 1 point show one irrational number.
1 point
Yes,
show
sir.
one rational number. Let's check the answer. Yes, only 1 point. Very good. Next video for the Shivaji House. Shivaji House, be ready. Shivaji House students, be
To
ready.
you, this is the square of x square area. That means x by x, that is 10 by 10. This is what we have added, 2 into x. This is again what we have added, 3 into 2. And this is 3 into x. So these are the 4 things that we have pasted, and we can see that the complete area is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2. So what are the observations? If you can see very clearly, the area of the new rectangle is what? It is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. And it is also equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2. That means x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into x.
The Shivaji House, now question for you. 2 questions will be there. First question is here. Which method of the factorization is shown in the given video? Which methods of the factorization is shown in the given video?
Splitting the middle term.
Splitting the middle term. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Sir, fasting method.
Which?
That's the fasting.
Testing method. Which method?
Yes, sir.
Fasting or fasting method?
Fasting.
Fasting. Okay, let's check the answer.
Fasting.
Sir, fasting method.
Okay, let's check the answer. It's a graphical method. It is also known as the fasting method. Yes, the good Shivaji House will get the 10 marks for this. Next question. The factorized form of x square minus 7x plus 10. What is the factorized form of x square minus 7x plus 10? All the Shivaji House students, turn on your video.
Sir, x minus 2 into
Sir, x plus 2 and x plus 5.
Yes, sir. X plus 2 and x plus 5.
Sir, x plus 2 and x plus 5.
Sir, x minus 5.
Beta, anyone speak? Anyone?
Sir, Sir, I can.
Sir, x plus 2 and x plus 5.
X plus
Yes, sir.
plus
X
5.
plus 2 and x. Yes, sir.
X plus
Sir, x minus 2 and
Sir,
x
x minus 2 and x minus 5.
x minus 2, x minus 5. Which answer you want to?
Sir, x plus 2
Sir,
and
x
x plus
plus
5.
2.
X plus 2.
X plus 5.
And x plus 5. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, x minus 5 and x minus 2.
x minus 5 and x minus 2.
Decide one, na?
Sir,
One
x
with
plus
minus.
2 and x plus 5.
Sir, minus.
Minus or plus?
Minus.
Sir,
Minus.
plus.
Plus.
So you discuss among yourself.
Discuss it.
Sir, minus.
Sir, minus.
Plus.
We will go with
Okay,
minus.
No, sir, plus.
Sir, plus.
Sir, minus.
Disqualified for this question. Okay. Anyone student give answer properly.
Sir, I
Sir,
can.
minus.
Sir, plus x
Sir,
plus 2 and x plus
Sir,
5.
x plus 2 and x plus 5.
X plus 2 and x plus 5.
Sir, minus.
X plus 5.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
X plus 2 and x plus 5, sir. Log this.
Answer.
Wrong.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is x minus 2, x minus 5. Students, now we are closing the meeting. Again, you have to join. Okay, after 1 minute. After 1 minute, again you have to join the same meeting. Okay, same link. Then we'll continue.
Is it clear to everyone? You are supposed to join
Okay,
the
join
meeting
it
again
fast.
after 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.